Hey there, Feng Shui enthusiasts. Welcome back to One Yan Feng Shui channel, where we unravel the secrets of ancient practices to invite positive energy into your life. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Chinese coins and the incredible stories behind them. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Coins, more than just currency. In ancient China, they weren't just for buying goodies. They held a special place in people's hearts as powerful symbols of luck and protection. Take a look at these unique Chinese coins. Round in shape with a square cutout in the center, these coins were not just meant to jingle in your pocket. Why keep your coins hidden away when you can string them together for a boost of good fortune? Chinese coins were often threaded on red strings, sticks, or thin iron rods. But here's the twist. The magic happened when coins with characters or words were strung together to create a saying or rhyme. It was believed that this brought an extra dose of luck into your life. Lucky charms and protective necklaces. Picture this, coins adorning the neck of a Cheng Huang, the city god, symbolizing a protective shield of luck. Parents even made necklaces for their children, adding a new coin on each birthday to keep them safe from harm. Some kids would proudly wear a necklace with as many coins as their age, a charming tradition to ensure a year full of good vibes. Coins weren't just personal talismans, they were also used to attract wealth. Shop owners would hang them over their doors, inviting prosperity to enter. And how about this unique wedding tradition? Coins were tossed into the bed of a newlywed daughter, ensuring fertility and the joy of children in her future. The power of transformation. Coins had one more trick up their sleeve: transformation. They could be melted down and crafted into protective charms, shielding homes from malevolent spirits. From currency to amulets, these coins had a transformative power that went beyond the marketplace. Embrace the wisdom of the ancients. And there you have it, folks. The incredible journey of Chinese coins, from simple currency to powerful symbols of luck and protection. Embrace these ancient traditions, and who knows what positive energies you might invite into your life. If you enjoyed this exploration into the world of Feng Shui, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Until next time, may your energy be positive and your spirits be high. This is One Yan Feng Shui channel, signing off. Take care and stay harmonized.